Today it's the 21st of October 2021 and we have Mechelininkatu, Mechelininkatu 26 Tekis here in Helsinki, Finland. This is something that Village Elevators had filmed before, but I can't remember if I had filmed it even. But we are here now and hopefully we'll get to the Tekis as well. It was built by Graham Burns in 1934, turned 85 years old in 2019. This is a beautiful cab here. Original buttons. Very beautiful. Grandeur Stockholm, it says on the back. The best is 4 person, 320 grams and 20 minutes back in 2023. And the serial number is AF 261. Yes. Lovely indeed.
Yeah.
There's a stop button. And in Swedish on it stop.
Yeah.
But outside there's here, Finnish, tänne. This machine has been upgraded sometime in the 1990s.
Yeah.
Roman numbers on the floor. Look at that.
Yeah.
This certainly deserves to write.
Yeah. Tippaa liftistä, me eteenpäin pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus.
I think we can turn on the lights.
Yeah.
Let me have a look at the call button here. Tänne here. Interesting that it's Finnish on the call buttons and the stop button is Swedish. Stop.
Yeah.
Case. It's not even space here.
Yeah.